So phase 2 of our kitchen renovation is done. I am delighted with how it's all coming together. I've been collecting pieces to go in here for months and months. And yeah, it's all coming together really well. So anyway, what we've done in this phase is we've colour drenched the entire room. So this is now a kitchen diner and it's all been painted in Portland stone by Little Green. So we've done the ceiling, the walls, all the skirting, architrave, windowsills, and all the panelling that we put in. So that was the first thing that we did, was put the panelling in all along here, round here and over the hob. And that's all been done in Portland stone. The next phase is to actually paint the cabinets. I'm going to have a little break because we've got other jobs that we need to be doing. So all of these cabinets are going to go a colour called Hopper, which is green, quite a bright green. So that will all be done. This wardrobe here is now going to be a larder unit, and that's going to be green, potentially black. I haven't quite decided, because the rug has got black bits in it, the chairs are black. This table is actually a trestle table from my old workshop. It's a temporary dining table. We're going to either find one miraculously that works in the next couple of weeks, or build one ourselves. And I'm thinking that's probably where we're going to end up. So hopefully that will all come together. But yeah, so it's either going to be black, the wardrobe, or green, the same as the kitchen cupboards. Then we've got blinds to do, blinds, curtains there. Obviously I need things for the walls, haven't found them yet. They're going to have a shelf up here. I've ordered some solid brass wall brackets shelf brackets for there. So we're going to have one long scaffold plank shelf there and another one above the hob. There's my French street sign, which is now my splashback. And then once all the cabinets are painted, then all the knobs and cup handles will be changing to brass as well. So they've all come from Yes to Home. I've got them, I'm just waiting to paint the cabinets. So yeah, so it's all coming together. I've got all my little French treasures, my enamel pots, my glassware, just all things that we used to trade and I've kept for myself over the years. And then of course these, which are my absolute favouriteest piece of furniture I've ever had, ever. From Setu in Milton under Witchwood in Oxfordshire. So definitely check them out, they have some amazing pieces. And then of course the beams. Well, beam, we've only got one, but that was the very first thing that we did when we moved here. That was just RSJ that had been plastered, so it was just very plain, and we had the guys in from Tudor Beams to make it look like wood, and hopefully you'll agree it certainly does. That's all done with a resin plaster and it looks absolutely fabulous. So the other thing that we've got to do here, there's a light fitting to go here. That's an enamel, sort of 1920s, 1930s enamel shade is going to go there. But again, we need to buy some fixings and make it. And of course, the other wonderful piece that we've got is this beautiful chandelier from second time around in Banbury in Oxfordshire. So yeah, that's been sat waiting very patiently for months to go up, and we're nearly there with it all finished. Stick around and follow along for the next phase.